My name is Grace and I will be making our rainbow nachos today. This is a really great nutritious tailgate snack. So let's get started. I am going to start adding some chopped up red bell pepper onto a sheet pan of corn chips. And now I'm going to add some red onion, and then I'm going to be adding some mashed black beans that have some cumin, chili powder, paprika, and salt added. And now I'm going to add a little bit of cheese. Okay, now we're gonna add some kale for some extra texture and color. And finally, the last layer of cheddar cheese. These will bake at 375 for about 10 minutes. There you go. So once you take it out of the oven, you can top it with whatever toppings you like, pico, salsa, guacamole, cilantro, and enjoy, and go Chiefs.